Welcome to SkipperBud's in Pewaukee, Wisconsin. Today we're looking at a 2002 Monterey Explorer 240. Comes on its own easy loader double axle trailer with a great big swim platform on back and a 5-liter Merc Cruiser engine with approximately 300 hours. And a 5-blade stainless steel high 5 prop. This boat is in excellent condition. No dents, dings, scrapes, dock rash, nothing like that. It's all very clean and very good condition. Let's go up to the swim deck on the bow and take a look at the top sides. From the top sides of the 240 Explorer, you can see that the vinyl is all in fantastic shape. No rips, no tears on this very clean boat. Got your entertainment center here with your freshwater sink, and of course your cooler that turns into a table. Working our way towards the stern, all of the interior is in fantastic shape. Again, with that great big swim platform. Turning the camera onto the cockpit. Analog gauges, Kenwood stereo, blowers, bilge pumps, dock lights, depth finder, nav lights, and trim up, trim down on your throttle for that Merc Cruiser 5-liter engine. One of the really nice things that you'll find about this 240 Explorer is this Cavernous head compartment, which is much bigger than some other larger boats. As you can see, the 240 Explorer is in great condition. Come check it out at SkipperBud's in Pewaukee. Asking price $22,955.